So here we are in our 24 by 80 light deprivation greenhouse. We have our second round here. We have 68 plants that are in 40-gallon smart pots. In the greenhouse, we're growing in a vermi blend of cocoa, peat, perlite that's heavily amended with worm castings, organic compost, and a slew of proprietary ingredients that we like to use. The strain that we're growing this time around is a sour diesel crossed with Death Star. And we have a Netafim irrigation system that is set up with spray emitters on every pot. So we have 68 plants with 2 spray emitters on each pot. And over here we have a 275-gallon water reservoir that we do all of our nutrient feeding through. So this reservoir we put in our Vital Grow, Vital Bloom, CalMag, and some other ingredients. And it comes out through a walrus pump. And this is powered by a 2,000 K generator. And that will push all the water through these 4 drip lines. And that is how we feed 68 beautiful plants. A lot of people don't believe that there's only 68 plants in a greenhouse this big. But through a lot of intensive training and topping, we're able to get this canopy spread that fills out almost 1,900 square feet of greenhouse. So this is our second round. Our first one was harvested in July. We put these plants in here and gave them a few weeks to veg, and then we used our automated tarp to light dep for about 3 weeks until the natural light cycle reduced down to almost 12-12, which at that point we could turn the dep off, let it run for a few more weeks in natural sunlight, and we're just a few days out from harvest right now. And I would like to show you this too as part of our off-grid automation to make our life a little easier up here on the hill. Our water comes from a 10,000-gallon reservoir up the hill. So it's gravity fed down here to the greenhouse, and I have it set up on an automatic timer. So every morning at 6 a.m. this will fill up 275 gallons. So after I finish my coffee, I come up the hill, this thing's already charged and ready to go. I don't have to wait an hour for my water tank to fill up. And inside of here I have a sump pump that recirculates the water and allows us to mix our nutrients in and recirculate it for a few minutes and get all of our nutrients mixed together, allow us to get the proper pH before we send it out. It comes out the bottom here through these PVC pipes, through our walrus pump, and it goes out through a Netafim irrigation system that will go out through 68 different plants, 2 emitters each. So as we go down and look underneath the canopy, you'll see that we have 2 spray emitters that is on every single smart pot. And this will allow us to get an even feed on all 68 plants.